Fresh homemade corn tortillas in minutes? Yes, please. No need to grind corn from scratch. We're making authentic, delicious Mexican tortillas the easy way. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. Hola amigos. Welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making one of my favorites, homemade corn tortillas. But I won't make you grind the corn from scratch. We're keeping it super simple with instant corn masa and using a traditional Mexican tortilla press to get that perfect shape. Now let's get to it. For this recipe you will need 2 cups of instant corn flour. As long as it says instant corn masa, you are good to go. 1.5 cups of water, and you adjust as needed, and half a teaspoon of salt. In a large bowl, combine your corn masa and salt and give it a quick mix, just enough to distribute everything evenly. Now slowly add in the water, mixing with your hands until you get a smooth Play-Doh-like consistency. It shouldn't be too dry or too sticky. If it starts cracking, add a little more water. If it sticks to your hands, sprinkle a bit more masa until you get that perfect consistency. Next, divide the dough into 2-inch portions and roll them into small, smooth balls. Think smaller than golf ball size, but bigger than your average size walnut. Now that our masa is rolled, let's heat this pan. We're going to put it to medium heat, and while this is heating, I'll teach you how to press our tortillas. Let me show you how I press my tortillas. First, grab a sandwich bag. We're going to cut the top because this is what's going to serve for our dough not to stick to our press. So now that we cut the top, we cut the sides. The other side. Here we go. And we cut it in half. We set aside our little plastics. This is my grandfather's old press. Here we put our plastic on the bottom, our dough in the middle, a plastic on top, cover, and squish. Now you will see your tortilla is covered in your plastic. You want to peel off one side gently. If you do it too harsh, it's going to crack. And the other side. Now carefully lay the tortilla on the hot skillet and don't drop it too fast to prevent it from folding or breaking. Let it cook undisturbed for about 30 seconds or until you see most of the edges lifting. I see my tortilla edges are lifting, so I flip it and let this side cook for 30 to 45 seconds. You'll know it's ready when golden brown spots appear on the cooking side. Let's check if it's time to flip. Yes, this one's ready. Flip it one more time for a final 15 to 20 seconds. If your tortilla puffs up, congratulations, you nailed it. If not, it might be a little too thick, but don't worry. Practice makes perfect. Once your tortillas are cooked, transfer them to a clean kitchen towel or a tortilla warmer to keep them soft. They look appetizing and smell delicious. Now I need to try it. And that's it. Homemade corn tortillas, definitely a must in any kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more Tex-Mex at home recipes, hit subscribe and tap that notification bell so you never miss a new one. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego!